No, I forgot the name of the town. Hey guys, welcome to Mexico. We are in Catemaco, Veracruz. I love it. Were you, Maria, not too crazy for it? Who said YouTubing was glamorous? It's a rough job.
Oh, sorry.
No, I forgot the name of the town. Mexican street food at its best.
Catemaco.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Catemaco, Veracruz. Hey, and subscribe. I am here in a little section by the market, and here the people have pretty much taken over the sidewalks, and they've got all kinds of stuff for sale. You name it, they got it. Whoa, cool hats, look at those. Yeah, because the market is quite small, so it's filled up very fast. So what the people just did, they just took over pretty much the street. I don't know if cars go through here, but motorbikes do. And everybody is just selling, and everybody who owns a building along here, they just rented out the bottom floor. And everybody got their businesses going. And it's busy here, really busy. You can buy from underwear to tomatoes. You name it. This is the real Mexico. Look, you could get these here when you take a bath to scrub yourself. Natural. 100% natural. Catemaco, Veracruz. This is the place, guys. And here's a guy selling some stuff. Food on the street. We are going to buy
Cáscara de chicharrón. Buenas tardes.
Traigo cascaritas curtidas, cueritos sin escabeche y cáscaras de chicharrón.
¿Cómo son las curtidas? A ver.
Las curtidas son estas, miren. Estas son las cáscaras de chicharrones curtidos. Y estas son cueritos sin escabeche.
Ah.
Oh yeah, ese es como compré antes. I used to buy these before.
Sí.
Many years ago. ¿A cómo salen?
20 y 12.
20 pesos, 12 pesos. This is pork skin, pickled.
¿Pero este es igual?
No, este es el chicharrón. Y este es
pero
cuerito.
Es verdadero chicharrón,
Sí,
¿no?
sí, es de cerdo.
And this here is the pork rinds.
Uno y uno.
And they're cortado.
¿Y cómo lo vamos a abrir?
We could take it to the room and leave it in the room.
Okay. Okay. Vamos a dejar en el cuarto entonces.
Sí.
Or we could eat it out here. We could eat out here.
I don't know, whatever.
Yeah, vamos a comer aquí.
Comemos aquí, ¿no? ¿Tiene servilleta, no?
Se lo debo, no.
Porque esto va a estar muy messy, ¿verdad?
Let me pay the guy. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me pay him.
There we go.
Yeah, so we got pork skins and we got chicharrones, cortitos.
Okay. Uno y uno.
Let's try them out.
Ajá. Hay bastante viento, ¿va?
Algo.
¿Y cómo se llama usted, señor?
Ricardo, para servirle.
Ah, mucho gusto, señor Ricardo.
Mucho gusto. 18,
Y que venda todo.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias, hasta luego.
Alright guys, this is how they go around and they are selling stuff. And pork skins, cortida, and pork skin pickles. I think I've had the pickled pork skin a long time ago in Chadama,
Yeah.
but the other one no, so
I think that's the one that they used to sell in jars.
in jars, yeah.
But here they sell you in a bag.
In a plastic bag.
Plastic bag. I don't know how to eat this here. Like,
So we're gonna go sit over here.
we're going to experiment something.
We're gonna try it out and we will let you know. We will sit right here on the banks of Lago Catemaco. Look how pretty. All right, let's see how we open these up.
I don't even know how to get out of my thing here. Okay, so we...
Yeah, I'll open it up.
Okay.
So, which one do we start on? Which one you want to start?
I think this one.
That one?
That
Alright.
looks harder. Harder to eat.
Yeah, just rock back to the hotel, wash your hands.
Yeah, because I think I'm going to change my clothes.
This is definitely finger eating.
Oh my god, be careful you don't throw the juice though.
I know.
If not, we're going to be not sitting here no more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Look at this. This is the pig skin here. Go closer so you can see it. This is pig skin.
I'm sorry.
Now let me try to eat it. Oh wow. Mm-hmm. Want to take a bite?
I don't want yours. I'm going to grab mine.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. I
This
don't know
is very
what
good.
This is. What?
Very, very good.
It's
Rubbery. A little vinegary. I wish I had a plate to eat it on.
not my favorite. It's like you eating a piece of sole from your shoe.
You know what I can do? I can run to the hotel room and get 2 cups and we pour it into a cup. A styrofoam cup. I'll be right back. I am back. I got a couple styrofoam cups to pour these in, and to clean the hands, brought some toilet paper. Who said YouTubing was glamorous? It's a rough job, but somebody got to do it to keep you people entertained. So this here is chicharron, which is fried pork skin, deep fried, and they pickle it in spices and vinegar and this is really good. So you got onion and spices. Tastes like artichoke or something like that. Guys, we got a buffet here. I got some styrofoam cups I had in the room and we poured it into the styrofoam cups. This is chicharron, which is fried pork rinds, and they're pickled. And this is just the pork skin, just like that, pickled.
I want to try this one. This looks, I don't know.
That's chicharron.
This is like foam, soaked foam with some juice.
Yeah.
It's extra salty.
Chicharron like that, and it's been pickled in vinegar and onions and spices.
This one is really salty and spicy.
For me, delicious.
No.
I give it a thumbs up. And to clean our hands, I brought some toilet paper from the room. That's all I have to clean our hands. Hey, who said YouTube vlogging was glamorous? No, this is a rough life. I clean your face with toilet paper.
I kind of like the white one better than the other one.
Yeah, the white one, it hasn't been deep fried. The white one here, this one hasn't been deep fried. Look at that. It's just boiled and then they pickle it.
This is better.
And the vinegar and spices, and it's a little more rubbery. I like it too.
This is eating like the sole of your shoe with a little vinegar and salt. That's it. Nothing else.
We all have different opinions. I think it's tasty. I actually like this one. You know why? It is softer to eat.
But more salty. That's why you like it.
A little saltier too. Mexican street food at its best. Pork skin, pickled.
Cuerito is called. Cuerito.
I hear they call it cueritos.
We
Cueritos.
call cuerito something else also. No, gracias.
The guy there is also selling stuff.
Tegogolos.
Mm.
That's the
He's
snail.
selling snail cocktail, but I have that in another video. There's a little juice. You can see where they pickle it in. Maria says I'm not supposed to drink it, but I love it how it tastes. Probably not healthy because it's salty, but it's good. The other one is gone. I ate the whole thing.
You're throwing it
No,
on
I'm
my
not throwing it, but
floor.
there's a lot of wind blowing. There's a lot of wind blowing. So it's flying. I have a little bit of this one left. I'm gonna finish it off right now. I love it. Were you, Maria, not too crazy for it? Oh, I can
Nope.
eat it every day.
Nope, it's not healthy, guys.
It's probably not the healthiest,
Not
but it tastes good.
It's not healthy.
Mexican street food at its best. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Hey, and subscribe. And subscribe. And subscribe. And subscribe.